Hi friends, welcome to Technical Sage. The next tech revolution. Lenovo has been teasing its Legion branded gaming phone for quite a while now.
We have also seen a myriad of leaks surrounding the design and specs of this phone over the past few months.
However, we will soon be able to lay them to rest as Lenovo has confirmed today that its gaming phone will launch in July. Yeah, the Legion gaming phone, not the official name, will arrive next month. Lenovo shared this information via an official post on Weibo earlier today. It posted a teaser poster, which reads, "See you in July," and includes the Legion logo. Nothing has been revealed via the poster below, but recent leaks give us an idea for what to expect from the Legion gaming phone. We recently saw a host of renders for this phone surface online, and if they turn out to be true, then it's going to be strangest looking phone on the planet. It will sit right next to that massive Energizer phone with a ridiculous 18,000 mAh battery. Legion gaming phone is rumored to be a flashy offering with a full-screen display on the front, a pop-up selfie snapper on the side, not at the top, and dual cameras at the rear, center aligned to avoid smudges while playing games. It will be a 64MP plus 16MP system at the back and a 20MP selfie camera. This device is rumored to include a Full HD Plus display with a 2340x1080 resolution and a 270Hz touch sampling rate. It will be powered by Snapdragon 865, coupled with UFS 3.0 internal storage and LPDDR5 RAM. Lenovo is also rumored to incorporate 90W fast charging into the Legion gaming phone, making it possible to juice up the 5000 mAh battery from 0 to 100% in about 30 minutes. Finally, the device will include a USB Type-C port on the side, the same as the Asus ROG phone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Legion gaming phone will go up against the likes of ROG Phone 3 and Nubia Red Magic 5G, which was launched earlier.